Now friends, we are talking about uses of was, were. How to use was, were in the normal form of sentence. In the workshop manual book, you have got the chart of person and number. You should refer the person and number chart. Then you should go for the structure of sentence, which is also given. As example, structure of sentence given, subject plus was, were plus object. Second, subject plus was, were plus not plus object. Third, was, were plus subject plus object plus question mark. Fourth, was, were plus subject plus not plus object plus question mark. Fifth, WH word plus was, were plus subject plus object plus question mark. Sixth, WH word plus was, were plus subject plus not plus object plus question mark. Now you need to understand how to do the meditational way of practice with the help of was, were. It is very simple way given in your workshop manual book with the different chart, different form, every helping verb, auxiliaries verb is with the 6 kinds of the sentences. Now I'm going to make you understand how to do this meditational way of practice, as the uses of was and were is there. We will be doing the practice of I was happy, I was not happy, was I not happy, how was I not happy, we were happy, we were not happy, were we not happy, how were we not happy, you were not happy, were you not happy, how were you not happy, he was not happy, was he not happy, how was he not happy, she was not happy, was she not happy, how was she not happy, this was happy, this was not happy, was this not happy, how was this not happy, that was not happy, was that not happy, how was that not happy, it was happy, it was not happy, was it not happy, how was it not happy, Mahesh is happy, Mahesh is not happy, is Mahesh not happy, how is Mahesh not happy, they are happy, they are not happy, they were they not happy, how were they not happy, these were not happy, were these not happy, how were these not happy, those were not happy, were those not happy, how were those not happy. So with the help of this practice of was, were, your tongue will be twisted with the use of was, were. So at the end, it is given, you need to do the practice of 10 times with the meditational way. The moment you will complete first, second, third, it will take little time to fit with your tongue. But after first time, second time, third time, the moment you will complete 10 times, your tongue will be fit with the use of was, were. So this will allow you to fit, or this will allow you to be a comfort with the help of was, were, and the moment you start speaking anything, your tongue will not allow anything to pronunciate wrong. For example, you can say, if you will say I will not allow you to use I were, you will use I was. You will not apply we was, you will apply we were. So this will allow you to become a good meditational way to give a practice of your tongue with the help of was, were.